Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use the new WordPress Widgets section. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. At the top right, click the Login button. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the right panel under Quick Links and click Edit Site. This will open the editing interface. Now click on your website's title to start customizing. To add a widget, move to the middle section of the screen and click the plus icon. This will open the widget menu where you can search and add different elements. Use the search bar to type the name of the widget you want, and WordPress will show you matching options. If you're not sure what to add, you can explore the widget library by clicking the Add button at the top left. Browse through categories to find useful widgets for your site. So that's basically how you can use the new WordPress Widgets section. That's it for this video. Thanks.